Hi everyone, I hope you all are good. I'm Rabeea. Today we are discussing about the module that is the promoting exercise, physical activity and health, and discussing the introduction and the assessment brief of the semester 2. So let's start about it. So first the objectives, what we are going to discuss about this module, introduction, about the just overlay about it, then the module name, its learning outcomes, the structure of these modules. Then we will discuss about the assessment overview, what's the criteria of this assessment to pass, and then the useful tools for the board assessment breakdown and its details, weekly materials that are available on the Moodle for you to do, to read and to go through from them, and the reading resources. So let's start. So in this table, first I'm showing you what the modules you are studying in semester 2. So overall, 4 modules you are going to study in semester 2. Number 1 is Introduction to Health and Social Care Practice. Second is Promoting Exercise, Physical Activity and Health, Academic Skills, and Project. Okay. So these are the modules you will do and study in semester 2. And right now in this recording, we are discussing about just only this one module that's called as the promoting exercise, physical activity and health. So let's see what the required learning outcomes are that at the end of the semester you should be able to know and can define health and health well-being, explain the importance of health and well-being in the society, include the knowledge of health benefits of sport physical activity participation. Third learning outcome that you will achieve at the end of this module is to identify and examine the basic factors that influence health and health behavior. Fourth, analyze the role of interventions and intervention planning in leading to behavior change across a range of population groups for both health and physical activity. Demonstrate an awareness of local and national roles and organizations that are relevant towards the health promotion, well-being, and physical activity. So these are overall of 5 learning outcomes that you will achieve at the end of this semester in this module. The module structure will be like that. First 1 hour will be your lecture, followed by 2 to 3 hours will be the workshop and seminar, in which you will do some collaborative activities and icebreaking sessions in the group with your colleagues under the guidance of the tutor and the facilitator. Now let's see the assessment overview that you will cover. So in this semester 2, you have only one assessment to achieve, that is the group presentation, and it will be a group of 3 presentation. The duration is around 10 minutes plus 5 minutes question answer. However, it will be confirmed by your tutor at the time of your semester when you will be taught by your tutor. The weightage of this component 2, the group presentation, is 60% to pass this module in this. And the learning outcomes that required to achieve in this group presentation are all 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well. So these are the learning outcomes that you must have to provide the relevant information related to it in your presentation. So this is the group presentation that you will do along with your group members, and you will make your presentation in the PowerPoint slides and will present in front of the audience. And your presentation will be the video recorded. It will be recorded along with the question answer sessions followed by it. So what the basic requirements are of this is that you will present in front of the examiner, and you will present with your group members. So all group members will be present in front of the camera, and it will be recorded as well. And this presentation on the same required to submit on the Moodle at the submission link that is present in the Moodle. And make sure when you are presenting a slide and making your presentation, it should be plagiarism free. However, if the plagiarism is coming with your colleagues, with your group members. It's mean that the colleagues of your group members, then it's okay, it's fine because you are using the same presentation to present and submitting on the Moodle. However, the plagiarism should not come with other colleagues or from other resources. Please make sure provide the citations in your slides with the statements or the figures that you are providing in your presentation. At the last, please provide their references in the reference list at the last slides. So let's discuss about the key information about your presentations that's required to cover. So during this group presentation, each member of the group will present at the equal interval of time, and the time should be noted when you are presenting, so that will not exceed more than the required minutes, given minute that will be given to you by your tutor. And in this presentation, you will given a health condition topic to focus a health promotion intervention on it, or your tutor will give you the choice among those topics. I will show you as well from your assignment brief. And then you will present on this topic, make your presentation with your group members and working and planning an intervention in which you intervene. You must have to provide physical activity in your intervention. That's the basic requirement. And furthermore, you have to adopt and explore a process of behavior change and also apply a behavior change theory and health model in this intervention that you are planning and exploring in your program, health promotion program. And the models, theories, relevant behavior change models and theories, these are all relevant documents are present in the module, and it's required to first go through the documentation, reading, assignment, tasks, activities from the module, then do this work so that you will understand what to do in it. And we want you to put the required information in your presentation relevant. And in this presentation, you also have to demonstrate an awareness of other suitable organizations that, for example, you are running your program in partnership with the education department in UK or Birmingham with local council or any charity or a funding resource. So you have to mention this. And please make sure when you are doing the references, please follow the APA 7 reference style. Now I'm showing you the assignment brief as well. So further detailed tabs is present in the Moodle as the assessment guidance. So please follow that when you are writing your presentation and making your presentation. So here are the topics that are present in the assessment guidance. So your tutor either give you from here or will give you the choice to choose one topic to make your presentation. For example, alcohol dependency, angina, dementia, childhood obesity, heart problems, heart failure, mental health issues, poor nutrition, smoking, stroke, or type 2 diabetes. So these are some examples that I'm showing you here. And at the top, this is the extended guidelines that we required that you must follow when making your presentation and should cover in your presentation. So at the end of your intervention, when you are implementing and during implementation, and in one slide, please mention about the evaluation, that how you evaluated your intervention during and after, what were the results, how you analyzed it, for example, through survey or through interview, how you monitored the success of your intervention, and what you want to improve next in the future. So these are the requirements of your presentation. Now, next is about the key guidelines. Furthermore, I'm showing you details about it that discuss, mention it, what's the target population, why that particular health issue topic needs assessment. So provide the data relevant to it, some statistics, rational, the reason of your intervention, why are you running this intervention, this health promotion program in any specific area, and align with the UK government physical activity guidelines. So design according to it, mention what these are, and then align your intervention according to it. provide some theories, relevant models that you studied in the model, then apply in your intervention, and then how you are working with the stakeholders along with the collaboration along with other organizations, and define the measure of success and track progress through evaluation and SWOT analysis, and last, the references before conclude first conclusion, then references. So what's the assessment criteria is actually it's the quality and range of sources are required to provide in your assessment, and please write in an academic structured way in good comprehension, and examine the literature you used is appropriate, the points are relevant according to the learning outcomes and assessment guidance. And the reference guidance is also available all the time for you. It's online. So when you go to the Moodle, so there is a library page option that you can use anytime when you are doing referencing. Take the guidance from here. Here I'm showing you the picture as well. I took from your Moodle. So from this website, from this link, you can take help in the guidance whenever you need further about your reference style. However, their further support is also available through the academic support and the library support for you. And Moodle is a very useful tool for you where you are getting all the relevant information related to either your assessment, this module, or referencing library, or reading books or relevant articles, or you're for searching for the assessment. So it's recommended please use the Moodle as this is a useful tool for you to get successful and to pass this module in the semester and in throughout the course. So now let's see about the module at a glance. So each week what you are studying. So in first week you are in this studying about some recap and the introduction about the health and well-being, what the professional boundaries are in health of the health navigator. Followed by next week, you will study about some legislative regulatory of the health and safety requirements, then data collection, handling, and CPD. And fourth, social prescribing. Fifth, about engagement with partners, key stakeholders, and key health and lifestyle messages and guidance. There are some pre and post activities also as well, before and after the live sessions that and all sessions are on campus, while pre and post are your independent studies. On 7th and 8th week you will cover about to explore about the targeted tailored interventions, benefits and risk of physical activity, and last you are drawing them all together information in one place. Here are the reading resources that we recommend to you to read to pass this module, to understand this module. There are further journals and relevant websites you can follow. Total credit hours required for this module 30. It means 300 studying hours required overall. And this is the link I'm showing you from your modules. That's the LTU library search from where you can search the relevant article, or if you want to search or read any book, you can search and read from the LTU library. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. Any question?